Today I am reviewing these really cool boots from NORTIV8. They sent me these to review, and I thank them for that. Check these out. These are in their sand color, which is a nice, fun color. Very, very lightweight. Honestly surprised they have this like suede kind of look. Cool stitching. You can see the contrast here. Nice lace all the way up. Extra pull tag here. Should make them easy to get in and out. Notice how it goes back here, and they have a good cushion, so these would be great for hiking, camping, just, you know, work, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, you can see everything in here. Very lightweight, a little breathable. See this cool pattern on the sides. See all the details. Nice pull tag here, so they should be easy to get in and out. So we're going to try these on and see how they work outside. These are super comfortable. They're such a lightweight. They're actually really insulated, so they're comfortable. So like they're going to keep your feet nice and warm. You can see the treads. Very flexible for a boot, and I love the look of the like tan suede. Like they feel like tennis shoes. They're so light, but they still feel like they have good ankle support, good tread. You know, I'm always doing workout here. I have like an acre out in the country, and we got animals and horses and stuff like that, so it's just nice to have a nice pair of boots. And these are like they feel like they're so squishy, and I have bad feet. These are my new boots for sure. Definitely recommend these. They come in other colors as well. And I hope that this video helped you with your buying decision.